So what you need to do first is you need to open up a new tab. Then you type in Canva, font, pairings. Then once you're done, you go to select images. So there are many examples that you can choose from of different fonts and their different pairing combinations. Okay, so we have Lovello, Hey Gotcha, we have Bakery Bold. So let's say that I want to add in a graphic and then I want to add in some text to complement that graphic. We are going to go to elements here on the left side and I searched up bakery. So I'm going to use this graphic as an example. Then I'm going to drag it into my canvas, then reduce the size. And now I'm going to find a specific style that's going to match this specific graphic of a bakery. So if I go back, you're going to look for a design that you want. I'm essentially going to show you the concept of font pairings. So let's say that I want to use this one, Rodarin. I want to use this one, so I'm going to go back and then I'm going to go to text here on the left side, then select add a text box, then go to the top here, then select Canva Sans where it says font. Now here in the search bar, I'm going to type in Rodarin and here it is. I'm going to select it. And as you can see here, it has changed the default text. So I'm going to call it Anna's Bakery. Now we need a second text which is going to complement this exact style. So the Rodarin style is going to be paired with ASAP Condensed. So I'm going to go back and search for ASAP Condensed. You go back, then go to text on the left side, then select add a text box, then go to the top here where it says font, then type in ASAP. So here it is, ASAP Condensed. I'm going to select it. So there it is, fresh and hot. So I put Rodarin paired with ASAP Condensed. So you can do as many combinations as you want. Let's say that you want to pair with Source Serif Pro. You can pair it with Source Sans Pro or Lovello. You can pair it with Glacial Indifference. And that's it.